dr.Fone Crack Free Download is one of the world's popular iPhone and iPad data recovery software. This is the only application that can efficiently recover your iPhone, iPad data. By using this tool, you can recover photos, videos, contacts, messages, call logs, and more. It offers the easiest way to recover iOS data. What's more, this application comes with the highest recovery rate in the industry. In addition, it is compatible with all the latest iOS devices. Now you don't need to worry about your precious lost data. Because dr.Fone with Keygen here ensures the recovery of your important data. Basically, the new dr.Fone Cracked is very good in nature that has all the solutions for data recovery of latest iPhone 12 Pro Max. It helps you to recover data from iTunes and iCloud as well. The full version of dr.Fone registration code Lifetime integrates with advanced technology to find all the lost data. As a result, it allows you to recover your precious files with a single click. dr.Fone 11.0.7 full cracked version is capable and ready to recuperate all your lost data with 100% recovery results in a very short time. It has the compatibility to work on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS all device versions without any complications. Furthermore, dr.Fone 2021 license key is an intuitive, reliable, and safe recovery tool. It allows you to verify data in detail before recovery with the help of a preview. In addition, it allows you to recover all data or select the files you want to recover. This software can recover data in 3 simple steps. Just connect your device, scan it, and recover with a single click. Moreover, it supports many file types including contacts, photos, WhatsApp messages, Safari's bookmarks, and many others. Similarly, Wondershare dr.Fone 11.0.6 Torrent supports all the new and old iPhone devices such as iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max, 7 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and many more. dr.Fone Cracked helps you to recover all deleted or lost data on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. In addition, it allows you to preview the detail before recovery. It helps you to download and extract the iCloud backup file. Also, this application allows you to read the content of your iTunes backup file. The software helps you to preview and recover your precious data with one click. It can recover up to 18 different file types including contacts, messages, photos, notes, and more. Furthermore, it allows you to select the files you want to recover. Moreover, this application works efficiently for all the latest iOS devices. Above all, it ensures 100% safety of your data and keeps your account safe and secure. Also, this application prevents overwriting of the existing files on your iOS devices. Generally, everyone including professionals and beginners can efficiently recover their iOS data. So, dr.Fone Cracked thoroughly scans your device and detects all the lost data. It can recuperate deleted, crashed, damaged, and stolen files. Also, it can recover files lost due to virus attacks. Moreover, it helps you to recover passwords after the device locked or forgotten password. You can also download here the new version of iPhone Backup Extractor Crack Free. How to crack and install dr.Fone. Download the trial version of Wondershare dr.Fone from the official site. Install the trial version. Execute the program. Now get the crack setup from the link below. Run the crack file with a double click. Wait for activation. There is a registration code, key also available with the crack. Run the application. Enjoy Wondershare dr.Fone full version for free.